This video has been edited and overdubbed for audio. So what we're doing here is we're showing a CISS ink tank attachment that's been installed in a printer and been tested prior to sending out. What we want to do now is to try and ensure that no ink linkage occurs during the transport. So how are we going about this? Obviously we've removed the battery from the system because we don't need that in. And then what we've done is we've put 4 bungs in the outlet ports on the cartridge and covered it with masking tape. You can see the 4mm bungs now, and they're just pushed in. They're quite a tight fit, but the masking tape will ensure that they're held in and they cannot come out. Now we've used masking tape as opposed to sellotape so that we don't get the adhesive residue that sellotape leaves. So now would ensure that all of the top bungs are in place and closed. Additional to that, we have an ink off roller. Now if you look at it, it's a sliding roller, and at the top it's at its widest point, at the bottom it's narrowest. By forcing the roller down, it shuts off the ink supply to the cartridges. So it's quite simple to use, but it can be stiff, but the principle is quite simple and it is effective. So when you come to install the CISS in the printer, you would just simply remove the masking tape, remove the 4 bungs, pop your battery back in, and then install the cartridge block. You would make certain that your air bungs are open. And you would open up the ink shutoff roller. And that should be you. You should be good to go. Thank you.